Welcome to your 5-minute yoga using the ball and the band. Do the best you can. Let's begin. Sitting up nice and tall, grab the band and place it behind you to elongate your arms. We're going to bring one leg forward and one leg back into a beautiful warrior. With the use of the ball, it really helps to kind of assist you, to hold you. That's it. It's such a wonderful pose. You're opening up through the hips. Very important. Your knee is in line with your ankle. And let's take 3 deep cleansing breaths together. Inhale through the nose and exhale out the mouth, the first one. Oh, that's it. Now it's all in the nose and out the nose. Deep breaths. Inhale and exhale. One more deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Beautiful. And now we're going to straighten the leg, and I like to bring the foot a little closer in and strengthen the leg and go to triangle. Lift up. Hold the use of that beautiful band so it opens up your chest for you. Squeeze your inner thighs together. That's it. Pull your abs up and in and lengthen through the arms. This really helps to open up your chest. That's it. And really use your thigh muscles. Really feel it. The fascia, the muscles hugging your bones. That's it. Squeeze and inhale up and exhale out. Inhale through the nose and exhale through the nose. Beautiful. And now one last stretch. I call it a side angle pose. Bend that knee, lift your arm up overhead and hold. Hold. If you can reach this hand down towards the floor and lengthen through the spine. Inhale, exhale, do the best you can, and slowly come up. Now it's time to shift your feet to the other side. Let's start in triangle. That's it. First a warrior, so your knee is bent in front. The knee and the ankle is in a straight line. Thinking about good posture, that's it. Stretch those arms, lengthen through the spine, and now press the weight through the back foot too. That's it, and look forward, lengthen through the body, warrior. Inhale through the nose, and exhale out the mouth right now. Just let it out. Now the rest, inhale through the nose and out the nose. Good. One more deep cleansing breath in the nose and out the nose. Bring your foot a little closer and lengthen the legs straight and lift over, tip over to triangle. Hold the stretch, lengthen up and over. That's it. Pull your tummy in, long, lean arms, long, lean legs. Really squeeze the thighs, lift the quadriceps up off your kneecaps to strengthen your legs and release. Now it's time to do a side angle pose. Turn your toe out and slowly lean forward and open up the chest. That's it, side angle. Beautiful stretch. 2 more breaths. Inhale and exhale. One more deep breath. Hold it, open, open, great. And release. Beautiful. Now, just place your band right on the floor and bring your ball right here. And now slowly, we're gonna begin in a bridge form. Slowly relax your back, relax your neck, and let's lift up into a bridge. And back down. One more bridge, lift up. Great for hip stability, hip strength. Great for your abs, and come back down. Beautiful. And now slowly bring your body all the way up. Let me see your smiling face. And we've got one more stretch. This is a cobra. You're gonna lean your body weight forward. You're gonna stretch up, push with your arms, and look up, look up. That's it, beautiful, and come back down. And one more, just lift up. That's it, stretch, stretch, or you could stay right here and look up. That's it, and release. And there you have a beautiful yoga workout. Namaste.